Hey, how's it going, everyone? The Stone of Science here. And listen up, holla at y'all. I mean, during spring break, I was just left here with nothing to do, and no one decided to bring me home. So I wrote this song about Newton's laws. Alright? Johnny, hit the beat. Johnny, hit the beat. Yeah. They see me rolling, that's motion. Newton's laws, they gonna explain all of motion. Let me tell you about 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 motion. Newton's first law now. An object remains at rest unless an external force is applied to it. Let me tell you about motion. 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 Example now, that's what we need. Gonna use a Lamborghini cause we so mean. Gonna crash it in a tree like 1, 2, 3. The Lambo comes to an instant stop, but we keep gliding like we so hot. The law of inertia is at play, even though this may seem a little cray-cray. If you've ever gone bowling, then I say, hey, when the ball be rolling, it ain't gonna stay. If you get a strike, an outside force of pins on the ball will be present. Laws of motion, you know you love them. Newton's second law of motion and balanced forces and this quotient. F over A equals M, M times A equals F. To find the imbalanced force in that, John, you must multiply mass and acceleration. Come on, this don't take that much patience. Now me and my friend Daquan, we was walking to some John Daquan boy, he be so late, he accelerated and left my sight. And I was like, yo, they see me rolling, that's motion. Newton's laws, they're going to explain all of motion. Let me tell you about 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 motion. Now we just got one more law that's left. Newton's third law, which may be the best. Let's talk about them action-reaction pairs. Now let's say we got some double pairs. Yo, Rick Ross, nobody cares. I don't want to shout two demo pairs. Now let me throw one pair at the other. Now there's an action force on the other pair, but it gives back a reaction force like it don't care. Although the second pair gets knocked over, it gives an equal reaction force. I hope y'all understand this law, of course. It ain't something I gotta reinforce.